relationship between a big Boerboel and a puppy can be both heartwarming and instructive. When a mature Boerboel interacts with a younger puppy, it often assumes a protective and mentoring role. The older Boerboel's experience and calm demeanor provide a sense of security for the puppy, while the puppy's playful energy adds a new dimension of fun to the dynamic. The mature Boerboel typically exhibits patience and gentleness, allowing the puppy to explore and learn from its behavior. This relationship can help the puppy develop social skills and learn important cues about proper behavior and boundaries. The older Boerboel's guidance can be invaluable in shaping the puppy's confidence and understanding of their environment. As the puppy grows, the bond between them often deepens, with the older Boerboel becoming a steadfast friend and companion. Their interactions can range from playful wrestling to calm companionship, providing both dogs with a balanced and fulfilling relationship. Proper supervision and gradual introductions are key to fostering a positive relationship and ensuring that both the big Boerboel and the puppy thrive together.